Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about chapter number 14, that is electric current and its effect. So our topic is electric cell and electric battery. So firstly I want to tell you what is electric cell. Electric cell क्या होता है? It is a commonly used source of electric current that is used to run a number of devices in our home such as torches, transistors, remotes, electric clocks, watch, electronic toys, etc. So all of these work with the help of electric cell, right? So next, this is the diagram for electric cell. This terminal represents positive terminal of the cell and that negative sign represents the negative terminal of the cell, and this will be printed on the cell. You can see from the cell only. Okay, so these cells you can take from your remote, TV remote also. Next, electric battery. So single cell is used to form an electric battery. For that purpose we have to use two or more than two cells to make a battery. So keep in your mind that always the negative terminal of the cell should be connected to the positive terminal of the another cell. Like I have shown here, negative terminal is connected to the positive terminal. Okay, and we can connect the cells in series and parallel also. How we can connect them? Series, like in sequence, one after the another, positive terminal to negative terminal and negative terminal to positive terminal. Just like that you can make a battery. Okay, so next is here also series they have given. Two cells are given there. They have joined them with the help of metal strip, that is also in series. And next, parallel. How we can use the battery of three cells in the circuit like this. Here you can see that positive terminals are on one side and negative terminals are on another side. This is a symbol of the bulb. This is bulb and these are cells. So three cells combinedly form a battery of three cells. So you can use these cells and batteries in the electric circuits. So what is electric circuit? Electric circuit is a path along which the electric current can flow is called an electric circuit. So now I want to tell you what is electric current. That is flow of electrons. This is a wire and electrons are there and they flow. When that wire is connected to a battery, then the electrons start moving from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Sorry, the current direction will be from the positive to the negative terminal, and the flow of electrons will be in this direction. Okay, from negative to positive, that is flow of electrons, and the direction of current from positive to negative. You have to keep this thing in your mind. Next is direction. I have told you already, direction of current in circuit, that is always from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. So next, one circuit I have made here, that is by using a bulb. This is a symbol for bulb, you have done already, that is given in your chapter. So next, here a switch is there. This is in open position, that is closed. सॉरी, दैट इज़ ओपन पोजिशन. क्लोज कब होती है? जब इसको हम बंद कर देंगे. ठीक है. सो दिस वन इज़ इन ओपन पोजिशन एंड हियर इज़ अ सेल. वी हैव यूज्ड cell positive, that longer line, you already know that longer line represents positive terminal of the cell and shorter line represents the negative terminal of the cell, and these arrows represents the direction of the current in the circuit. Okay, so now in this case bulb is not glowing because our switch is in off position, it is open. Now in second case, switch is closed, that means switch is in on position, so the current will flow. In this case current will not flow, okay, because switch is off, and here switch is on, so current will flow from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery or yes, cell. Here we have used. Okay, you can use battery also instead of that cell if you want more voltage. So next we will discuss about the effects of the current. So three effects of electric current are there. First is heating effect, next magnetic effect, and next is chemical effect. In this chapter we will discuss about the heating effect of electric current and magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, so chemical effects that you will learn in the further classes. In 8th class you will learn about the chemical effects of electric current. So next, activity on the base. Firstly we will discuss about the heating effect of the electric current. So activity is given in your book, that is chapter 14, page number 163. पेज नंबर 163 पे ये that activity is given there. Activity 14.2. What we have to do? Simply take an electric cell. Here is a cell. This is positive terminal of the cell and this is negative terminal of the cell. And take a bulb, a switch. This is switch. This is bulb. And connecting wires. These are wires जो connect कर रही हैं circuit में इसको, as shown in this figure. So this activity has done using only one cell. इसमें सिर्फ एक ही cell use करना है. Okay. So now keep the switch. What step we have to follow? Firstly we have to keep the switch in off position. In this case switch is in off position. Okay. So after that the bulb will not glow. Why? Because switch off है, switch यहाँ पे off है हमारा, तो bulb circuit में current flow नहीं करेगा and bulb will not glow. In second case switch is in, just I've shown you here. Here switch is in on position ना, here also you can keep this in. After some time you have to keep this in on position. इसको on position में कर दोगे, then current will start flowing through the circuit and the bulb will glow. And that what will be the direction of the current? From the positive terminal to the negative terminal. This is the direction of the current. Okay, so when you touch after switching it on it in on position, the current will flow and you have to touch the bulb. It will become hot. Okay, and after switching off it will again become cold. Okay, जब भी आप इसको switch on करोगे ये गर्म हो जाएगा, switch off करोगे ये ठंडा हो जाएगा. So that represents the heating effect of electric current. One more activity is there, that is activity number 14.3. What you have to do? Simply make a circuit as shown in the figure. So take about 10 centimeter long piece of nichrome. What is nichrome? It is a alloy of nickel, chromium and iron. alloy होता है कि metals का mixture होता है, ठीक है. So it is a alloy of nickel, chromium and iron. So why we are using nichrome? Because of its higher temperature stability and high melting point. इसका melting point high होता है और temperature stability इसकी high होती है. That's why we are using nichrome. Okay. So after that, here switch is in off position. Now you have to keep this in on position. जब इसको on करोगे, this is our cell, that is negative and this is positive terminal. Longer line represents positive terminal and shorter line represents negative terminal. Okay, so this is our nichrome piece. So current will flow when the switch is in on position. The current will flow from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the cell, and the current will flow, these are two iron nails, and here we have connected the piece of nichrome, and now the current will flow through this wire, nichrome also, and you have to touch this. Okay, you have to touch this nichrome wire. When you are going to touch this you will feel it warm. It will be warm. Okay, and after switching this in off position, this will be colder again. Okay, so this also represents the heating effect of the electric current. Okay, so in next for today this is enough. For next topic, next class we will discuss about the magnetic effect of the electric current. Okay class, thank you.